Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial, and I've got a special treat for you today. I'm going to show you one of our case put and pick carts. Now this cart is very unusual, but I'll get into that in just a minute. I want to show you how we build something like this. This is virgin aluminum that we extrude out and make all these components, the tubes and everything. New Age is an extruder and a fabricator, so we can make sure we build it to fit your exact needs. Now, what is so special about this cart is it's designed for an order picker, so an order picker can go in here and grip that oak block and go up with it. The people that use something like this are the ones that are going to be putting product in there to do a put away and a pick environment. Now, when I say that, what I'm talking about is when the semi shows up and they unload the goods, they're going to pull this cart up to there. They won't need an order picker or a forklift to do it. They'll take it, they'll load product into the bottom of this, they'll section it off in the area it needs to go to. And if they have a huge product, they can throw it up here on top. If they have larger packaged goods, they can turn around and put those in here and fill this up. So you have an option. You're not limited by that shelf. But that shelf can be used, or it can be moved down and used as far as more picking. The casters have all locking casters on all four wheels. The reason they have that is if you would put this cart up in a mezzanine, they pick it and put it up there and they want to roll it around, they can lock the wheels down so it doesn't fly off and hurt anybody. But it's used for other uses too. But then again, like I said, when they go now and pick, they can put product in here, bring it down, unload it, shove it off, put it on the conveyor line, and go to the fulfillment side. So there's a lot of advantages to this cart, and I want to make sure you understand that and see it. There is a handle on the back, but that just adds to the easiness for the people to move it around. Aluminum is non-rusting, so you're not going to have any trouble with that. Let me know what we can be doing for you. New Age is here to solve all your problems. Again, we build to fit your exact needs. For more information, email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com.